Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain about the challenges involved in process design. So, process design presents the challenges related to understanding the problem, generating the innovative ideas, translating them into a tangible solution, team dynamics, time strains, and budget limitations, and the need for cross disciplinary collaborations. So, let us understand the problems and needs. So, in the process design, uncertainty may involve many process designs are initiated without a clear understanding of the product, process, or customer needs. So we define the scope. It can be difficult to clearing the define the problems and the scope of the process design projects. So we'll generating the innovative ideas, creativity blocks. Finding the innovative solutions can be a challenging, especially when facing the constraints or a lack of experience. Balancing the fluctuation and anticipations, finding the right balance between the certain challenges. Then, complexity. The process design may be too complex for the available resources or expertise. Prototyping and testing. Translating ideas into the tangible prototypes and testing them can be resources, initiatives, and the time consuming. So, the team dynamics and collaborations is also involved in a process designs. So, in the process designs, we can define the challenges and lack of communications is also be a problem. So, poor communication between the designers, developers, and other stakeholders can lead a misunderstanding and implementation of issues. So, stakeholders conflicts. Stakeholders may have a conflict interest or priorities, making it difficult to reach a consent on a design solution. So, constraints and limitations of process design, time constraints and budget limitations. Limited resources can have a ability to explore the different options or implement the best solutions. So, designers must address the industry norms, regulations, and functional requirements which can add complexity, and we can have a sustainabilities. So considering the environment and social impact of the process design is increasingly important, but can be a challenging in a integral part. So in the business process of redesign, so our businesses processes helps our team stay productive and ensure the consistency. But even with the team, business process is only as strong as it designs. Business processes design ensures all business processes align with the business goals, are the efficient as possible, and are documented properly. So when we what is a business process design? Business process design is a systematic and strategic activity of the creating a visualizing, analyzing, and improving the processes that drive an organization's operations. It involves identifying and documenting the series of interrelated tasks. So, business process design aims to streamline operations, enhance the efficiency, reduces the waste, and optimizes the resources allocations. It is essential for achieving the operational excellence. So, when we align the different processes with the organization goals and responding to changing market conditions and customer demands. So we'll have some simple and efficient planning processes. An effective business process gets an desired result as quickly as possible without skipping crucial steps or breaking a compliance and requirements. Apart from this, standardization and consistency, flexibility, adaptable, continuous improvement, customer centrics. These are all the important process in the design and the processes. Thank you.